In the last video we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S22 in Graphite, which is an online exclusive color, and in today's video I will set up this device and give you my first impression. Then I will prepare the complete product review after I test this phone. I really like the way it looks. It has a flat display which is well received, with a centered front-facing camera, and at the back there is the camera bump on the top left corner which has 3 lenses, and next to it is the flash. I have been asked why I do not remove the stickers on the side, as the viewers want to see the phone. There are 2 reasons as to why I keep the stickers on the side. 1. When it is in the case, the dust tends to leave marks and scratches, and I like to keep the devices in pristine condition. 2. I ordered a case, but the phone was delivered faster, so I had to leave the sticker on for more. But as this is my missus' phone, she doesn't like the stickers on the side, so they will come off now, as I got the screen protector and the case at the time of shooting this video. By the way, the review of the screen protector and the case will be live this Friday if you want to check it out. The sticker protects a matte black frame, which looks amazing. I wish my iPhone 13 Pro would have matte sides. On the left, as we look on the screen, there are all the buttons, rocker button and power button. At the top there is a hole for the microphone, on the other side there is nothing, just 3 antennas, and at the bottom there are the SIM card slot, another microphone, the charging port and the speaker. This is the first time the Samsung Galaxy S22 is turned on. You will see the reflection of the softbox and the camera on the phone screen, but I will try to position the phone at an angle to avoid that reflection. To set it up takes just a couple of seconds. What I like about the setup process is this option to copy app and data from the old smartphone. Can be done via the Wi-Fi or by connecting these 2 devices with a Type-C cable. Another thing that I like is the option to choose the search engine as default. If you go for something different than Google, then the app will be installed from the Play Store. You can choose DuckDuckGo for an untraced browsing or use the biggest search engine, Google. Until the data transfer from the old phone will be completed, let's have a look at the fingerprint reader. I have already installed the screen protector. The seller advises to increase the touch sensitivity of the phone for use with screen protectors from settings, display. But I just want to see what impact has the screen protector, so let's register the fingerprint. It didn't work on the first try as I didn't press on the reader. It worked on the next tries. What I noticed is that although it registered the press, it took some time to action and unlock the phone. I don't know if this is related to not increasing the touch sensitivity of the screen, but it works. My last Android phone was the S10 Plus. Compared to that one, the S22 is super fast. Just have a look how it flies. It has an adaptive refresh rate screen, meaning that the animations and the scrolling will be smoother, and it adjusts the screen refresh rate up to 130 Hz. You also have the option to keep the standard 60 Hz screen refresh rate, but if you have a beautiful screen like this one, then why to limit it? Another 2 things that I like are the side panel, which is perfect for shortcuts, and the back button. I get a lot of questions if I miss the back button on the iPhone. I used to miss it, however I got used without it. Now that the transfer is complete, the setup process was smooth. It applied all the settings from the old smartphone to the new S22, even the background image and the folders with the apps. That is just great. I still can't believe how fast this phone is. Let's have a quick look at the cameras. I won't go into details as this is an impressions video and not a review. I will have to test the phone and then work on the review video, so consider subscribing and click on the bell icon to be notified of future product reviews. The S22 has 3 cameras at the back. The main camera is 23mm wide with a 50-megapixel sensor. It can take pictures quite close to the subject, but it doesn't seem to have the macro feature that the iPhone 13 Pro has. This is the first photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Graphite. The image is full of details and colorful on the phone, but the colors seem to be washed away on the same image that I copied on the laptop. It could be down to the dynamic AMOLED screen that enhances the colors on the phone. Let's take a photo with all the lenses. The first picture is taken again with the main camera and the result is the same. Although it is crispy clear, the colors are faded. I edited the photo to show you how I can see it on the phone. That's a big difference. The second picture is taken with the ultra-wide camera that has a 12 megapixel sensor. Although I tap to focus, the subject is the only one out of focus, but don't worry, I will test the camera more and give you the feedback. The last photo is taken with a telephoto camera that has a 10 megapixel sensor. The result is impressive, a lot of details captured with nice bokeh. However, same as the other two photos, the colors are faded. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a beautiful phone in this graphite color, especially with the matte black bumpers. It feels great in hand and to my surprise is lighter than what I was expecting. It is quite light compared to the iPhone 13 Pro coming at 167 grams as compared to 204 grams. Overall, I am impressed by the performance but not by the camera. But I have to test this device more and prepare the complete review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.